Picture yourself in the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.